Hey, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment Museum in Oshawa, continuing with our series during our shutdown, behind the scenes, things that are going on that you don't usually see at the museum. I want to introduce Blair. Blair is one of our youth volunteers. He's been volunteering here for over a year, and he is working on the Centurion Mk V. So Blair, what are we doing here? What's the next steps?
So what we got on deck right now, as you can see, the tank is no longer the gray gate guard color that it has been for the past 25 years sitting here. And so we've tore all the fenders off, we have the turret storage boxes off. You can't see the top of the turret, but that's all primed and ready for paint as well. We're in the process of refurbishing all the parts, so that includes wire brushing, grinding, welding, because all the stuff is rotted out. Most of the things that are boxes, the bottoms have just completely rusted out. So right now we're doing that. We're painting. We have painted the suspension here, and we're just working on getting it all back together. And next up, I think once we get the storage boxes on, we might take it out for a test run, and you can expect to see it at the May Tank Saturday.
That's right. So the vehicle is fully operational. This is just the restoration part of it. Blair and his team are still working here. Just a few students during the close down, obviously taking COVID-19 precautions, etc. But they are working very hard, so we do hope that in May this will take the field for Tank Saturday Canada at War for the very first time. And if that event does end up being postponed, it will be rescheduled for later in the year. You will get a chance to see Blair and the rest of the team take the Mk V Centurion out for a run soon. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll have another update here behind the scenes soon.